Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, December 19th. Today we'll do another essay from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. This one is titled, I Say Yes When I Mean No. And I think most of us can relate to that, as most of us do that on a regular basis. The essay starts with a little poem by Naomi Shihab Nye. I say yes when I mean no, and the wrinkle grows. There have been many times that I said yes when I meant no, afraid of displeasing others, and even more afraid of being viewed as selfish. I think the first time I decided to get married, I said yes when I meant no. Young and inexperienced in being myself, I agreed to be a fish out of water for as long as I could, so as not to hurt or disappoint or displease. Not surprisingly, it ended badly. And how many times, once trained on self-sacrifice, do we have the opposite conversation with ourselves? Our passion for life saying yes, 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 and our practical guardedness saying, don't be foolish, be realistic, don't leave yourself unprotected. But long enough on the journey, and we come to realize an even deeper aspect of all this, that those who truly love us will never knowingly ask us to be other than who we are. The unwavering truth is that when we agree to any demand, request, or condition that is contrary to our soul's nature, the cost is that precious life force is drained of our core. Despite the seeming rewards of compliance, our souls grow weary by engaging in activities that are inherently against their nature. When we leave the crowded streets and watch any piece of nature doing what it does, tree, moose, snake, or lightning, it becomes clear that the very energy of life is the spirit released by things being what they truly are. And those of us committed to love must accept that care is the inner river flooding its banks. Yet if the soul's river can't be fed by its source, there will be no care. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your mind, into your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your breath to be soft and gentle. See if you can find some spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take some moments to reflect on the last time you said yes when you really meant no. breathing steadily, allow yourself to uncover, if you can, why you didn't say no. Was it the fear of being disliked? Was it the habit of people pleasing? Was it something else? Now reflect on the cost of not saying what you meant. What would it feel like to have said no when you meant no? What consequences followed after you said yes when you really meant no? Now inhale slowly and imagine that in that situation you actually said what you really meant. How does imagining this feel in your body? Does it feel scary and uncomfortable? Or does it feel like a relief? Does it feel like something expansive, light? Now bring your hands to your heart and with gratitude to yourself for doing this exercise today, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice and as usual, take a moment to notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to set an intention to speak directly the next time you are asked to be other than who you truly are. And notice how that feels in your body, in your heart, in your mind. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Wednesday, Lorna's breathing practice that I really encourage you to attend. And I will see you on Thursday.